Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to Shopify store setup tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here, to connect Stripe into our store, we simply need to tap on the settings icon or button right here at the bottom left, right there. And from here, you want to tap on Payments Next. So click on that. And from here, you would see the payment providers right here, as you can see here. So we're going to choose a provider. So click on choose a provider. And then from here, you want to click on Stripe from here. So you want to find that. So to easily find it, you want to go here and type Stripe. And then as you can see, we now have the Stripe payment provider right here, but as you can see, it says unavailable in your country. So in my country it is unavailable, but if in your country, then you can proceed and set this up. But from here, I'm just going to show you on how you can install this. So click here on the Stripe option. Once you click on that, you would be prompted into the Stripe website, and in here you would need to log in if you already have an account, but if not, then you can just create an account right here. So as you can see, if you're completing this on behalf of our business, it must be completed by the business owner or someone with a significant management responsibility of that business. So that is very important. But yeah, if you want to create a Stripe, then I suggest that you go into stripe.com. And then from here, you want to register in your account. Click here on Start Now. And then from here, you can just register on your account by completing these steps right here. It's very easy and direct, so you don't have to worry about it. And from here, I'm just going to go and use this to log in. So I'm just going to provide my email right here and click on Submit. And from here, I'm going to provide my password and click on Submit right here. Alright, so now once you're successfully logged in, then now you can select an account you'd like to connect to Shopify. In my case, I'll be choosing this one and click on Connect. Alright, so now let's click on Connect right here. Alright, so now once you have successfully completed that process, there might be some more verification, but I wasn't able to show you that because it contains personal information. But once you're done with it, then you should be seeing the Stripe right here. And as you can see, it has now been connected, and now you can manage it here from your store. And as you can see, it has now been activated right here. But just like I said earlier, Stripe is not available in our country as a payment provider here in Shopify, so this means that I can't use this. But if it's available for you, then you can be able to use it. So that is basically it on how you can use Stripe here in Shopify and how you can connect it. Thank you for watching.